Alrighty guys, welcome back. Well, I got the old heater core inlet tube off my dad's Expedition. And see, it blew apart right there. And it wasn't hard getting it off. There was a little plastic tang in here. You had to go and squeeze those clamps and wiggle it and it'll pop right off. And but this is the original one from 2009. So 15 years. Pretty good. And here's the brand new one. As you can see, it's all metal. It's not going to break. Got the new plastic lip tangs in to lock them in place. So, let's get it in. Alright folks, got the new heater hose, the heater core inlet hose installed. So now all I got left to do is fill the radiator, coolant reservoir, pressure test it, make sure it's not leaking, and Big Betty will be back on the road. Now I am going to replace that one too, because it goes to the other end of the heater core outlet, and then it goes, cuts off right here and goes up through there to the back of the motor, and then down here on the side where the heater tube. So it's installed now. Big Betty's back on the road.